Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by moving air and removing the source. Open windows and run an exhaust or box fan immediately to pull smells out. This reduces airborne molecules. Rinse cabbage leaves under cold water to remove residue and discard any bruised parts that trap sulfur compounds. Once done, soak the remaining cabbage or coleslaw in 1/2 cup white vinegar diluted in a sink of water for 5 minutes. The acid neutralizes volatile odor compounds while preserving texture, so make sure to drain thoroughly before cooking. You now focus on how cooking choices control smell. Blanch cabbage for 2 to 3 minutes, then shock in ice water. That halts enzymatic reactions that produce strong odors and makes the smell milder. When boiling, add 1 teaspoon baking soda to raise pH slightly and reduce sulfur gas formation. Use sparingly so texture stays intact. Once done, cook with strong aromatics like onion, garlic, and a tablespoon of vinegar or caraway seeds to mask and balance remaining odors while enhancing overall flavor. You finish by neutralizing lingering smells and handling problems. Simmer any leftover cabbage liquid briefly with lemon peel or 2 tablespoons vinegar. The volatile acids bond with odor compounds and lift them away. Once cooled, store cabbage in an airtight container with a slice of bread or apple to absorb residual smells. Make sure to change the absorber after 24 hours. If the odor persists when reheating, add fresh chopped herbs and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. This restores brightness. Troubleshooting tip: If
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.